La kulo mhlaba bambalwa abantu abakwazi ukubhala ingoma ejulile iphinde ibe hit, and Intaba yaseDubai is one of those people. Shaferi bafethu, ninjani? Sithembe niyaphila, ngiyanibingelela. Welcome to Umculo and Stuff. Ngiphathelwe yimina uThuto Tsotetsi, umZulu omSuthu, umSuthu omZulu, umSuthu waseNquthu, Strate ngibambitsa Too Dope. Vandag sizonihlaziyela ingoma isihloko sasithi Angimbonga Umdali by Intaba yaseDubai. Sizoyazi Intaba yaseDubai on one of his most famous songs la feature khona bizwa imali eningi by Big Zulu featuring Ricky Rick and Intaba yaseDubai. And yena kumjida, he's very very good ngoba unama track wakhe nje nama project akhe enze kahle kakhulu kuma streaming platforms. So mhlawumbe abangamazi or abamaziyo kodwa bamgcina kudala bengahamba beyomsearcha lapha ku Spotify, YouTube, abo Apple Music and all the other digital streaming platforms. So sizongena kwingoma ethi Angimbonga Umdali, siringe ngayo basically senze sijwayele kuyinjwayela la ekhaya. So ihlaziya based on ama-categories wethu ukuthi i-rhythm, i-production, i-arrangement and then the overall song misi yonke ukuthi ihamba kanjani, thina sicabangani ngayo. So ingoma iqala nje ngesici esijwayelekile zengoma zohlobo lwe-afropop ukuthi ingena ngento ngama-beat yabo, and then from there iyasuka uyangena-ke ngama-lyrics. Ingoma i-love song, but in this case it's not i-love song ekhuluma maybe ngomuzwa omuhle wokuba sothandweni, but lowo muzwa womuntu okukuthi usengaphandle kwe-relationship and bayabonga because they survived a bad relationship, I guess, you know. So ifundisa izinto ezibhaya and it really takes umuntu ukuthi azithathe mhlambe abheke ngokwakhe situation ukuthi what do they have to say about the whole song, angithola. Cause mina nje ngesingami mangiyilalele leya ngoma leya, uNtaba yaseDubai ukhuluma nomuntu gama lakhe uThandi and umtshela ngendlela ukuba nobudlelwane naye wasn't really conducive for yena, like bekamsebenzeli, and uzowabona ngokuthi ehlukane naye kwayikhana izinto zakhe zivuleka. In this regard ngike ngazithatha ngazifaka eyicathulweni ezikaThandi in a case, you know, where I felt like yimi lo muntu lo bambezele umuntu ebengizwana naye emuva, you know, ngezenzo zami sometimes cause briefly nje ngike ngaba ku-relationship nomuntu okukuthi ube prospera and mina bengumahlalela ngingenzi next, ngizihlalele nje endlini ngigadene nomntwana. Yangidla loo nto leyo, you know, yagcina sengenzisa manye ama-decision abheke eceleni, but at the same time ngize ngafunda ngakhula nga-realize ukuthi azini udinga ukuzixolela ma umuntu and udlulise ukuze uzokwazi ukuthi uqhubekele phambili nempilo yakho. So ingoma ikhuluma ngesihloko esijule kakhulu esokuthi like ube ku-relationship nomuntu but ufile ngathi mhlawumbe akakwenzeli next, akakuletheli lutho empilweni, only when uhlukana naye lo muntu khana ubona ngathi izinto zakho ziyavuleka, angithola. So without nje ukwanda kade socela ukuthi abantu behambe beyolalela cause yona imnandi kakhulu and futhi icabangisa umuntu, angithola. Kungaba uthandi or ungaba sengicathulweni zentaba yaseDubai, but at the same time ikwenza ube nomuzwa ukuthi azini xola or xolela, zixolele nawe self, move on cause ubungazi I could say ngaleso sikhathi leso ku-relationship. Manje usuyazi and ngoba sewazi ukuthi wenze kangcono ungalokhu ubambelele ey'ntweni zakudala. So ilokho thina esikuthathayo engomeni, umuntu naye umlaleli ngahambe eyoyilalela ezwele ngelakhe isayidi ebe nolwakhe uvo. Sesongena-ke kwesidume ngakho Vandag okuwukuthi si-rate ingoma based on i-rhythm, lyrical content, i-production plus nento ne-arrangement, and then zonke lezi zinto lezi zino-25% each. Uma usuhlangana uzoba 100%. So Vandag for i-rhythm, which is isici sengoma, sizoyinikeza u-25% ngoba ithi ngena nje kwenza ufuna ukuyilalela uma ungayazi. Uma usuyazi usuvele ulindele ukuthi oya ngizocula-ke manje yabo, cause ingoma emnandi nje yona ngokwayo. And then ithola u-25% for leso score leso. Bese when it comes to lyrical content sizonikeza u-23%. So essentially 23% because sifile ngathi ineside eli-1 le-story, so it's not really painting a full picture, ikunikeza nje uhlangothi olulodwa, but also at the same time usengaba umuntu oyithathayo ungayibi sey'nyaweni zento abaseDubai kodwa ube sey'nyaweni zomuntu othi okay mhlampe ungazithatha njengothando, uyangithola, and ubheke ukuthi wena ungazixolela kanjani and try to move on yabo, njengoba mina ngenzile ngayibona ukuthi okay nami benginamaphutha athize, but at the same time bengingakuqondanga and akukho okunye engingakwenza ngaphandle kokuthi ngidlulise. So basically thola u-23 for lyrical content. And then size indaba ye-production, angikhosho ukuthi usebenze nobani la ku-production cause ama-credits awabhali, but ngiyacabanga ukuthi mhlawumpe u-DR ngoba ngokwazi kwami basasebenzisana namanje. And then izothola u-25% because like njengoba bengishilo based on isigqi, ingoma imnandi kakhulu and iyazwakala ukuthi kunesandla esisezingeni eliphezulu behind i-production yakhona ukuthi ingaleki but i-maintain i-quality standard esiyazi ngayo into yabaseDubai. U-25, so sino-25, u-23 no-25%, okwamanje sihleli phezu kwa-73. Sizongena kwi-arrangement yengoma, i-score sethu lapho siku-25% because it sticks to i-story yabo, wazama ukuspenda into yabaseDubai. Uqala ngesimo esibuhlungu ukuthi kunjani and then moves on to ekutheni ngoba esedlulile kuleso simo usezizwa kanjani, izini ezimlungelayo yabo, and then futhi iyahambelana from ekuqaleni kuze kube sekugcineni, awulahleki, uyakwazi ukuthi ulandelele uze ugcine ufika nasemaphethelweni ayo ingoma. So izothola omunye u-25% for i-arrangement. So mesiphelele iscore sethu sino-25 for i-rhythm, sibe no-23 for lyrical content, kube u-25 we-production, phinde kube u-25 for i-arrangement, mase sisonke u-98%. Kodwa-ke iscore sethu njenge-Lokshin Odyssey umculo and stuff, omunye umuntu engahamba eyozilalelela yona esitshela ukuthi yena ucabangani ngayo, if ever yahlala kulo-98 or yehla noma iyakhuphuka isha 100 wonke uphelele, angeke sazi. But please share your views kuma-comments or kuphi, sizokwazi nathi. Ingoma iyatholakala kuwo wonke ama-DSPs njengoba besishilo, abantu bengahamba boyilalela, ilink iyatholakala naku-description. Siyabonga.